to my YouTube channel. I'm Ming Spiritu Bastas, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. It's been a while since I last uploaded my video, and for today's lesson, I'll be sharing with you on how to draft a pencil cut skirt. Let's get started. And for the demonstration, we'll be needing only 3 measurements. We have for the length, the waist, and for the hip. Now, these are the tools needed in this demonstration. We have the tape measure, the ruler, pattern paper, we have the L square, and the hip curve, and we have marker here. This red represents the basic lines, the green for the front, and the black is for the back. Okay, the measurements are: the length is 21, the waist is 26, and the hip is 32. Now I'm going to add the hip for 2 inches. That is for the ease. Okay, on the waist part, we're going to add 1 inch later for the dart. Let's begin. You are going to draw the first perpendicular line here on my right side, this part. Okay, then measure 1/2 inch going down from this first perpendicular line, and then measure 9.5 inches going down, and then to the hemline, or to the length of the skirt, you have to measure 21 inches like that. You turn your L square and draw this mark, and this will be the location for your hip. And then this part, you are going to mark for the hemline. This is the edge of your hemline there. Now use this ruler as the measurement for the allowance for the fabric. Okay, this is straight. Okay, I'll be showing you later on how to make the front, because there will be adjustments here on this area. Now you are going to make this another perpendicular line here on your waist. There. So these are all straight lines. The measurement of the waist is 26. You measure your waist 26. Okay, I've shown you before on how to divide your measurements. Now we are getting only the 1/4 of your body, or for the skirt. The measurement of the waist is 26. Now you are going to divide that into 2 first. That is 13, and then get the other half. That is 6.5 or 6.5 inches. You measure it here. That's 6.5 inches here, plus 1 inch for the dart. Okay, 1 inch. I added only 1 inch for the dart. Next is to locate the hip. The hip measurement is 32. And then I added 2 inches for the ease. to 32. So it must be here only if it is 32 exact measurement. But since I added 2 inches, you are going to add the 2 inches there also to make it 34. Divide the 34 into 4. Okay, that is 17. Divided into 2, that is 8.5 or 8.5 inches there. So this is our hip. Okay, now you project this mark on the waist to the hip there. You check how do you want it on the hemline. If you are going to make this part wider than this, then you are going to adjust from there. Okay, you see, as I move this hip curve here, this shape is changed. Okay, so I don't want that this part is wide, so I need to make it quite narrower on the hemline. So I'll use this there and extend it there until here. Why didn't I continue until the lower mark? Because this will serve as the fold. When you fold it here, you are going to get this angle there. Okay, now on this area, please be reminded that these straight lines will serve as the back. Now for our front, I'm going to use this part as my basis for the front. Connect this one to here to locate the front mark. Okay, there. This is now my front. And for the red is this is like the basic line, but this will serve as the back also. Okay. And for the hemline, you are going to measure 1/2 inch from this mark. Okay, from this red mark going down, and then from this another red mark going down. This straight line is for the back. Okay, now you have to project this mark to this part here, or to the corner of this one. Now this green mark will serve as your front, like this. Okay, I'll mark the back with the black pen. Here. There. Then this one also. Then here. Okay. So this green is for our front. This black is for the back. This back. This is back. Okay. This part also, you're going to measure 1/2 inch going down and connect it here. There. So this is now your front. This green. Okay. There. Now let's proceed with the dark here. In determining the distance of the dark, you are going to consider the bust distance of the client or your customer. So since this one is narrow size or small size of skirt, then I'm going to take the bust distance only for 3 1/4 or 6.5 inches for the distance. Okay, there. Then measure going down also for another 3 1/4, because the 6.5, the half of the 6.5 is 3 1/4. So this one, the 3 1/4 is here. There. Then measure 4.5 inches from the second perpendicular line. This one, 1, 2. So this is our first perpendicular line and this is the second. So you measure 4.5 inches going down. Then you're going to connect this two marks here. Okay, then there. This one is 1 inch. You're going to divide that into 2. Half there, half here. Then project it there. Okay. If the size of the person is bigger than this, you are going to move this dart outward. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to cut it now. Okay. This is for the back, this is the front, the back, and the front. Okay. So that's it for today, and please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Just leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and God bless.